Here we have 20 chicken wings cut. We have 16 chicken wings and tablespoon masala spice, 1 tablespoon yellow curry paste, tablespoon of cayenne pepper, teaspoon of salt, Well, it's been 1 hour. Now we're going to grill our chicken. We're gonna put our chicken inside the oven to grill it. Go. As you can see, our chicken is been in the oven for 15 minutes. Now we remove. This is the sauce from the chicken that we have been grilling for 15 minutes. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a zest, a lime zest. Not too much, just a little bit of a lime zest. Just a little bit of a lime zest, just to get the flavor of the zest with ginger. And we're gonna add tablespoon of maple syrup. Once we are done, we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix our mixture together. Don't forget, that's tablespoon of maple syrup and a zest of a lime. Then we're gonna take this sauce again, we're gonna drizzle on top of our chicken. We're gonna drizzle, and when we are done with the chicken, we're gonna put our chicken back inside the oven for at least 5 minutes inside the oven.